to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron McGee. Today we're going to discuss some features in the latest XR series firmware update. One of those features being the trouble audible in system options. This update ensures that any troubles that occur between the hours of 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. do not enunciate at the keypad and disturb your customers during that time. Most of the time, these troubles are things that your customer can't resolve themselves. You will be notified at the central station of these troubles, so you can be proactive and make sure that you are taking care of those, but your customer will not be disturbed between those hours. Another feature that we implemented was the support for the 1100T translator. The 1100T translator allows you to take over competitor wireless that's already installed. You can take over Honeywell wireless, 2GIG wireless, DSC, and Interlogix wireless. You can program the 1100T in device setup. Once you've programmed it into device setup, you can then go to zone information and program in your competitor wireless devices. When the system asks you to program in the serial number of that device, you have two methods of entering that serial number. You can manually enter that serial number, or you can use the Learn option. The Learn option allows you to tamper that wireless device, and that serial number gets sent to the system and saved. While you can program all of this from a keypad, you can program it all from dealer admin and remote link as well, so you have many options of being able to quickly program in the 1100T and those competitor wireless devices. We also improved the network communication failover speed. So whether you have a hardwired network path or a Wi-Fi communication path, if for some reason there is a trouble on one of those, the network at the site goes down, the router is down, we have improved the speed in which that will fail over to your backup communication paths. This will ensure that all of your trouble signals, your alarm signals are getting sent to the central station as quickly as possible. We also updated the AX bus to support the dual authority feature and the card plus pin feature. So previously, any doors that were programmed on your keypad bus, which is addresses 1 through 16 on an XR550, you were able to perform your access control functionality, including dual authority and card plus pin. So we're bringing these nice improvements in that allow you to now do the dual authority and card plus pin on all of your doors that are programmed in to your XR550 control panel. So as you can see, there are some great features in this latest XR series firmware update. Don't forget that this firmware will be available for download on Dealer Direct, so you can download that and use Remote Link to update your systems, or you can go to Dealer Admin and take advantage of our bulk firmware update feature. This allows you to update all of your XR systems very quickly and efficiently so that your customers can start taking advantage of all of these great new features. Thank you for spending some time with us, and thanks for your business.